Hey, good morning, folks. This is Reed at Dun Capital, bringing you the daily briefing. Before I get started, just hit subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified on future videos. So the top story today is this over here. EU leaders back push to ban most of Russian oil over Putin's war, but do bear in mind right now they're only banning, well, they're not only banning, they're banning seaborne oil. So basically all the barrels that are, you know, being transported by seas. Gas, the pipeline energy is still being sent. This is, a compromise that they've come to. And what we've seen happen is this, just a massive. We opened around 117 spot 56, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 56 on the day at the start of electronic trading, and right now just firmly above that 119 handle. Would I try to short this market? No, no, I would not. At the same time, so this is the biggie here today. Uh, and crude being, basically the top trade that I would probably be wanting to look at, because as this goes on, we would probably be seeing further pressure and fear on the inflationary front that will potentially put a lot of pressure on equity assets, sorry, risk assets. Second thing is, what's important is, I wrote this in the morning read, is the fact that there's discord and, not to say disharmony, but basically the leadership in the Chinese Communist Party still hasn't, with the 20th uh, Communist Party conference, coming soon, they still haven't told Xi that he is taking over as premier for a third term. So this might be freaking markets out a little bit, because if China goes into a bit of a tumble, a bit of a tussle, then we've already seen a massive effect on global demand because China's not in the picture. We're seeing, lockdown slowly getting lifted, but who knows? So we'll see what happens on this front to basically paint a picture on demand going forward. What we've seen happen on the Dixie today, as I mentioned so many times, like how important to just keep an eye on this Dixie, because how it just translates into the price of a lot of other assets. We've broken through this resistance basically out of this channel over here from the 13th of May high. And if we can't hold above here and come back down, right? So I would think we probably will be looking at a test of the 101 handle. If we continue on, this might put a bit of pressure on basically FX pairs and also equities. But if you don't see equities turning back while this rages on, that would potentially mean that basically the demand, the bid on equities is on. That's it from me today. On data, we'll be looking at flash readings, HICP flash readings out of Europe, about 10 a.m. GMT, and then US consumer confidence at 3 o'clock GMT. For energy traders, the Brent July futures contract will expire today at 7:30 GMT. That's it from me today. This was Reed with the daily briefing. Cheers.